I think we have completed cantilever beam with point load. Yes or no? Please confirm me. We have already completed momentary method for cantilever beam with point load. Please confirm me. Okay, so let we start the example based on momentary method for a cantilever beam subjected to uniformly distributed load as well as the point load. Okay, so it may be possible. It is example test for only uniformly distributed load. Okay, there is no problem. If only data given for only uniformly distributed load or a combination of UDL plus point load. So in between to B span is a 2 meter and in between B2 span is a 3 meter. So whenever a data is like that, calculate slope and deflection at point B and point C, or calculate slope and deflection under the point load for a cantilever beam, given in below figure. Okay, is it clear, students? Please confirm me. Data is just like that. Calculate slope and deflection under the point load for a cantilever beam given in below figure. Consider E equals to 2 10 to 5. E equals to 2 into 10 to 5 Newton per mm square, and I equals to 8 into 10 to 9 mm raised to 4. આવો કંઈક ડેટા આપેલો હશે. So let me first of all, whenever such kind of data is given, whenever combination of load is given, combination is just like point load UDL. Okay, in that case, you have a consider bending moment diagram for separate load. Everybody with me? Please confirm me. You have a consider bending moment diagram for separate kind load. So separate kind load, that means you need to consider bending moment diagram for point load alone, and you need to consider bending moment diagram for uniformly distributed load alone. Yes or no? Please confirm me, students. I am repeating my statement. Whenever a combination of uniformly distributed load and point load is given, in such a situation, you need to consider bending moment diagram. You need to consider bending moment diagram due to UDL alone, and you need to consider bending moment diagram due to point load alone. Please confirm in chat box. Is it okay? There are 21 students in room. Please give me reply. I know your exam schedule is there, but we have also to study this subject also. Okay. So let we consider bending moment diagram due to point load alone. Okay. So M diagram due to point load alone. મારે moment diagram draw કરો છે point load ના કારણ. That means I will consider in this particular beam only point load. UDL consider नहीं करो. पहला समझी लो. 80 kilonewton, 60 kilonewton, 2 meter, 3 meter. Okay, so now we will separate out this particular beam into two parts. One is your beam is subjected to point load, and second is your beam is subjected to UDL. Everybody with me? Please confirm me. Please confirm me. અહીંયા સુધી કોઈને doubt છે? Suppose here value is a 2EI. Let me હું અહીંયા EI વાળા એક્ઝામ્પલ જોડે લઈ લઉં છું, બરાબર? વેરિયેબલ EI કન્સિડર કરી જ દઉં છું જેથી કરીને સેપરેટ એક્ઝામ્પલ ગણાવવા ના પડે. ઓકે, અહીંયા EI છે ને પછી 2EI છે. So now first of all we will draw a M diagram due to point load. So we will consider diagram number A only. This is your diagram number A, this is your diagram number B. If you require to draw a separate diagram due to loading, you all of you are allowed to draw that diagram. Okay, but whenever you are doing a practice, that is my guarantee, you will not require to draw separate diagram due to loading. Okay, you will visualize and draw from yourself. So now let's say this is the point A, this is point B and point C. Now can anyone tell me what is the value of moment at point C? What is the value of moment at point C? Yes, I want the answer from all the students. Please participate. Okay, fine. So moment at C is a 0. Next point is your point B. Now can anyone tell me what is the moment at point B? Keep in mind, we will consider only point load. We will not consider uniformly distributed load. This is a procedure to solve such kind of examples. Okay, so don't follow your textbook. I don't know which kind of the procedure followed in your textbook. Just follow me. What is the moment at point B? Moment at A equals to 0. This is due to point load. Okay, due to point load. What is the moment at C? B. Sorry, moment at C. What is the moment at B? Fast. Just consider diagram number A and give me answer. Point B अगर section कट करो, right side की moment लो, कितनी moment आवश्यक? 18 to 3 clockwise, section right hand side clockwise negative. That's why 18 to 3 minus 240. Yes or no? Please confirm me. In this diagram, in between B to C, there is a no load. That's why our shape of bending moment diagram will be inclined. Please confirm me. Is it okay? So same way, what is the value of moment at point A? Just write point A अगर right side की moment मन लगाओ चलो. What is the moment at A? Yes, I want answer from all the students. There are 24 people in room. Please give me value. Just rethink, your answer is wrong one. 120 answer is wrong. Just rethink and give me answer. I want to take a moment at point A from right side. 240 is also wrong. Why 240? I want to take a moment at A from right side. We will starting from point C and give me value. After 20 days, there is an exam for mechanics of solid. You must know such kind of the calculation. Moment at point A, that is equals to 18 to 5 clockwise positive negative because right hand side છે. Yes or no? Minus 60 into 2. 8 पंजा 40, 6 दो 12 એટલે minus 520 કિલોમીટર મીટર. Yes or no? Please confirm me. Again, there is a no load between A to B for point load. So that's why our shape of the diagram is again inclined line. That value is the 520. That value is the 520. Please confirm. Is it clear or not? Negative. Let me draw M by EI diagram. Okay, let me draw M divided by EI diagram. In between A to B, your EI is equals to constant. So at point A, your initial value is a 520. At point A, your initial value is of 520. Let's shift to point B. Left side, your EI equals to EI. That's why, again, your initial value is a 240 by EI. But whenever I am shifting from point B to point C, on right side, your EI equals to 2EI. That's why you need to divide this moment divided by 2. That's why your resulting value is a 120 by I. Please confirm, is it clear or not? I am giving a 1 minute. Purvis, you need to rename yourself by enrollment number. If you did not rename yourself, I will remove from the Zoom meeting. I am giving to a 2 minute only. Purvis, Mr. Purvis, please rename yourself with enrollment number. Is it okay, students? Please confirm me. I think this value is a 120 by A and this value is a 240 by A. Yes or no? I am right again. Just a minute. Let me draw. This is your M by EI diagram. This is your M by EI diagram due to point load. Next, we will draw M by EI diagram due to uniformly distributed load along. Okay, next we will draw M by EI diagram due to uniformly distributed load along. So we will consider this diagram B. Can anyone tell me what is the value of moment at point C? This is your point C, this is your point B, and this is your point A. Can anyone tell me what is the value of moment at this point C in this diagram? First. Yes, right. I want answer from the older student. There are 26 students in room. Please give me value of moment at point C. Okay, 0. Next point is a point B. Can anyone tell me what is the moment at point B from right side from due to this diagram? Your value of UDL is 50. 50 no load, 50 km per meter. What is the value at point B? Yes, right. Fine. You are right. Wrong one. 14 number wrong. Yes. Plus or minus? Plus or minus? Wrong. Your right answer is the minus 225. Just cut a section. Keep in mind, we will consider only uniformly distributed load. We will not consider any point load. Keep in mind. Just cut a section at this point. Your value of UDL is at 50. So moment at B from just right side, that is nothing but 50 into 3 point load multiplied by 1.5. Yes or no? Clockwise, it's minus. So minus 225, and your shape is a parabolic curve. And your shape is a parabolic curve. 225. Please confirm me, is it okay? Why 450? Why 300? All of you are clear or not? Okay. So now let me know what is the moment at point A. ચલો point A આગળની moment આપો. બધાએ સાચો આન્સર આપવાનો છે. What is the value of moment at point A? Let me calculate. Minus 15 to 3 is the point load. Multiply by, this is 1.5 plus 2, 3.5. Yes or no? Please confirm me. 15 into 3 into 3.5. That value is a 525 is the right answer. That is the right answer. 345 is the wrong. 345 is the wrong answer. Now, can anyone tell me what is the shape of your bending moment diagram between A to B? ચલો હવે આ પોષણમાં તમારો બેન્ડિંગ મોમેન્ટ ડાયાગ્રામનો શેપ કેવો આવશે? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? First. Yes, right. Inclined line. Because we have calculated moment to UDL, but the portion where we need to draw a profile of bending moment diagram, there is a no load between that two points. That's why our profile of bending moment diagram must be an inclined line. Okay, must be an inclined line. Yes or no? This is your parabolic curve. This is your parabolic curve, and this is your inclined line. Keep in mind. Okay, and this value is nothing but 525, I think. Okay, 525. And diagram is a negative. Please confirm me. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? Please confirm me. Okay, fine. Let me draw M by A diagram due to UDL. Okay, this is your M diagram due to UDL. Let me draw M divided by A diagram due to UDL. UDL ના કારણે M divided by A diagram. So same process. અહીંયાથી start કરીએ. 525 divided by EI. કેમ કે EI constant છે. હજુ અહીંયા પહોંચીશું. 225 by EI. ऊपर जैसे तो अर्धू करूँ पड़શે. Yes or no? 225 divided by 2, that means 112.5. Please verify. Please verify. 112.5 divided by U, and your shape will be a remaining shape will be a parabolic curve. Parabolic curve. This is your inclined line. Please confirm. Is it okay? Okay, fine, fantastic. ચલો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આપણે ડાયાગ્રામને ડિવાઈડ કરીએ. લેટ વી ચેન્જ ધ કલર. ઓકે, can I say that this is your first part? તમારી જેટલી આ વેલ્યુ છે, actually this value, total value is a 240. Okay, total value is a 240. તો અહીંયાથી એક સ્ટ્રેટ લાઈન ડ્રો કરી શકો. હું લેફ્ટ સાઈડનો પાર્ટ કન્સિડર કરું છું. So this rectangle is nothing but 240 by I. Everybody with me? This rectangle is 240. Value of this rectangle is a 240, and total value is at 520. This 520. Just a minute, I am changing here. Actually, this is a 520 by EI. Okay. Actually, this is a 520 by EI. So your remaining value will be 240 minus 520. That is nothing but 280. Yes or no? 280 by I. Your remaining value, that means value for triangle will be 280 by I. Value for the triangle is 280. Yes or no? Please confirm it. And
yes sir.
And for this triangle, your value is 120 by. ये डायरेक्टली मिल गया से तो ये वैल्यू आपको डायरेक्टली मिल जाएगी 120 divided by I. So you have a 3 shape for point load due to point load. Suppose this is your rectangle first shape, triangle is the second shape, and this point load is your third shape. Is it okay, students? Please confirm me. આ ચેપ્ટર માં શીખવાનું છે. એકવાર આ ડિવાઈડ કરતા આવડી ગયું, ચેપ્ટર ઈઝી છે એકદમ. આ ટોપિક એકદમ ઈઝી છે. Let we shift to a due to UDL. Again, let me draw just reference line here. Okay, so now consider this part. From this point, can I draw? Just a minute, I am changing some values here. Just a minute. Okay, now it's fine. Suppose અહીંયાથી એક સ્ટ્રેટ હોરિઝોન્ટલ લાઈન ડ્રો કરી દો, તો નીચેનો ટ્રાયંગલ થઈ જશે અને ઉપરનો રેક્ટેંગલ થઈ જશે. So value of rectangle is a 225. Yes or no? Your value of rectangle is a 225, and your value of triangle, that is nothing but 525 minus 225, that is nothing but 300. Yes or no? Please confirm me. Is it okay, students? And this is your parabolic curve, and its value is nothing but 112.5. અહીંયા સુધી ક્લિયર છે બધાને? ચલો નાઉ હવે આમાં કંઈક અમુક નવા શેપના એરિયા કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીએ. લેટ એ બધા એરિયા આપણે ટ્રાયંગલના રેફરન્સથી યાદ રાખીશું. ઓકે, સપોઝ ધીસ ઇઝ યોર ટ્રાયંગુલર એરિયા, this is your parabolic curve, and this is your second kind of the parabolic curve. Yes or no? Everybody with me? Everybody with me? So now for triangle, can I say that its area 1/2 b into h? For triangle, your area is 1/2 b into h. Yes or no? Yes or no? Please confirm me. First, it is very important. આ concept આવનારા બધા લેક્ચરમાં લાગુ પડશે. અહીંયા એકદમ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશનથી સમજી લો. એક્ઝામ્પલ તમને કરતા આવડી ગયો. For an example, you need to calculate slope at point B. Which area to be considered? Which area to be considered? Suppose this is area number 4 and this is area number 5 and this is area number 6. Suppose તમને એવું કીધું છે point B આગળ સ્લોપ શોધો, તમારાથી કયા એરિયા તમારે કન્સિડર કરવાના આવશે? I think all of you are able to give answer from previous lecture. કયા કયા એરિયા કન્સિડર કરવાના આવશે મારે પોઈન્ટ બી આગળ સ્લોપ શોધવો હોય તો? કેન એનીવન ટેલ મી? એરિયાનો શેપ આપણે શીખીએ છીએ, પણ કયા એરિયા શોધવાના આવશે મને કહી શકશે કોઈ? We have already discussed like that. Yes, B2A. પણ B2A માં કયા કયા એરિયા દેખાશે તમને? You are right. B2A is fine. No problem. B2A is right. પણ બી થી એ માં તમને કયા કયા એરિયા દેખાશે? એઝ વી હેવ ડિસ્કસ્ડ ઇન theorem number 1, to calculate slope we need to record area of m by a diagram. Area of m by a diagram, listen to me carefully, listen to me carefully. To calculate slope between about any point, we need to calculate area of m by a diagram between 2 points. Suppose I am interested to calculate suppose I am interested to calculate slope at point B. Suppose I am interested to calculate slope at point B. We need to consider area of m by a diagram between B to A. Everybody with me, please confirm me. Don't give me answer. હવે મને કોઈ આન્સર ના આપે, પહેલા મને સમજી લો. Okay, I am repeating my statement. Suppose I am required to calculate slope at point B. I need to consider area of m by a diagram between B to A. Everybody with me? B થી A નો એરિયા કન્સિડર કરવો પડશે. Yes or no? Chalo.
Yes.
So now say, suppose this is your diagram number A. Number api do. Suppose this is your diagram number B. Suppose this is your diagram number C. And suppose this is your diagram number D. Now, which two diagram to be considered? ચારમાંથી કયા બે ડાયાગ્રામ આપણે ફાઇનલ કન્સિડર કરવાના આવશે? Because we need to consider only m by e diagram. આ ચારમાંથી કયા ડાયાગ્રામ તમારે કન્સિડર કરવાના આવશે પહેલા એ નક્કી કરી લો. Can I say that diagram number B and diagram number D? Yes or no? Everybody with me? Everybody
Yes,
with me?
sir.
So now આ બંને ડાયાગ્રામ તમારે કન્સિડર કરવાના છે અને આ બંને ડાયાગ્રામમાં B થી A માં જેટલા પણ એરિયા આવતા હોય બધા કન્સિડર કરવાના આવશે. કયા કયા એરિયા આવશે? એરિયા નંબર 1, area number 2, area number 4, and area number 5. Everybody with me? Please confirm me. If I want to calculate slope at point B, I need to consider area of m by a diagram between B to A. For calculating area of m by a diagram between B to A, I need to consider area of shape 1, area of shape 2, area of shape 4, area of shape 5. Yes or no? So procedure is same. Procedure is same, just like a previous lecture. Okay, just here change in some kind of the shape. Chalo. So can I say that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 BH? Now below shape, below parabolic curve, it is clearly observed that area of that parabolic curve, there is a less as compared to triangle. નીચેનો જે parabolic curve છે જેનો area triangle કરતા ઓછો છે એવું કહી શકાય logically from its profile. Yes or no? Okay, so યાદ રાખવાની ટ્રીક, આવા પ્રકારનો શેપ હોય પેરાબોલિક નો, that is basically observed in overhanging beam or cantilever beam. Okay, and its area is nothing but 1/3 BH. 1/3 BH. Can I say that 1 by 2 equals to 0.5 and 1/3 equal to 0.333? So 1/3 is a less than 1/2. Yes or no? 1/3 ની value 1/2 કરતા ઓછી હશે. યાદ રહેશે?
Yes.
Similarly, ઉપરનો જે પેરાબોલિક કર્વ છે એનો એરિયા ટ્રાયંગલ કરતા તો વધારે જ હશે કેમ કે એનો કર્વેચર એના કરતા વધારે છે. સો ઇટ્સ એરિયા ઇઝ નથિંગ બટ 2/3 BH. આટલું યાદ રહે? પ્લીઝ નોટ ડાઉન કરી લો. ચલો બધા નોટ ડાઉન કરી લેશે. Okay, fine. Chalo, same way, we need to remember center of gravity point. Suppose I am considering triangle, this is B, this is H. Suppose this is your center of gravity point. Area is nothing but 1 by 2 BH. Your center of gravity point for apex point. Can anyone tell me what is this distance and what is this distance? Apex and BC distance हो सकता कोई कही सकते हैं? चलो fast.
1/3 and 2/3 B.
આન્સર ચેટ બોક્સમાં આપવાનો. Give me answer in chat box only. Okay, so this value is nothing but 2/3b from fx 2/3b from base 1/3b. So now can I say that your value from fx is more as compared to from base? Yes or no, everybody with me? fx વાળી વેલ્યુ વધારે છે બેઝ કરતા, કહી શકાય? પ્લીઝ કન્ફર્મ me. ઓકે, સેમ કન્ડિશન બીજા શેપ માટે આવી રીતનો પેરાબોલિક કહું છે. જસ્ટ મિનિટ. Suppose this is the B, this is the H. Area is nothing but 1/3 BH. Same procedure. Apex base. Okay. Apex થી 3/4 B આવશે, base થી આવશે 1/4 B. Yes or no? Can I say that 3/4 is more than 1/4 B? Keep in mind, summation of both value must be a 1. Summation of both value must be a 1. 1/3 plus 2/3 1 થઈ જશે, 1/4 plus 3/4 પણ 1 થઈ જશે. Yes or no? Please confirm me. સપોઝ આવી રીતનો પેરાબોલિક કહું છે. That is basically observed in a simply supported beam. Area is nothing but okay, same process from apex and from base. This from apex your value is a 5/8 B, from base your value is a 3/8 B. Yes or no? Please confirm me. Please confirm me. Please give me a reply fast. Is it clear or not? Note down કરી લેજો, આની જરૂર પડશે આગળ. Okay, fine. So let me shift to our example. આપણા example ઉપર shift થઈ જઈએ. Let's apply all the concept. ચલો, first of all આપણે point B આગળ slope calculate કરીએ. Okay, first of all we will calculate slope at point B. Okay, so to calculate slope at point B, we will consider theta B minus theta C. Yes or no? Theta B minus theta C લઈશું ને, બરાબર ને? Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Okay, fine, good, wrong. Theta B minus theta A, absolutely right. Okay, that is equals to area of M by EI diagram between B to A. Yes or no, everybody with me? Your slope at point A is 0 due to fixed support. Yes or no? Please confirm me. So theta B equals to,
Yes.
ચલો પહેલો એરિયા કન્સિડર કરીએ. બધા જ એરિયા નેગેટિવ છે એટલે માઇનસ આવશે 240 divided by 2, 240 divided by EI into 2. Keep in mind, મેં અહીંયા divided by EI નથી લખ્યું, પણ divided by EI દરેક કેસમાં આવશે. ધ્યાન રાખજો, દરેક કેસમાં divided by EI આવશે. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ થઈ ગયો. चलो सेकंड से माइनस 1/2 into 280 divided by EI into 2 minus एरिया नंबर 1, एरिया नंबर 2, एरिया नंबर 4 અને એરિયા નંબર 5 આવશે. ચલો એરિયા નંબર 5 કન્સિડર કરીએ, સોરી 4 કન્સિડર કરીએ. -225 divided by EI multiply by 2 minus 1/2 into 300 divided by EI into 2. Yes or no? Please confirm me. આ ક્લિયર છે બધાને? So you will get value of theta b in term of EI, and all of you know that unit is a kilonewton meter square. I think all of you are able to convert this EI into kilonewton meter square. Yes or no? How say? E into I corrected 2 into 8 16 10 raised to 14 આવશે. EI ની વેલ્યુ તમારી આવશે 16 into 10 raised to 14 ન્યૂટન mm સ્ક્વેર. બરાબર. મારે ન્યૂટન માંથી કિલોમીટર માં જવો તો એક વખત 1000 વડે ડિવાઈડ કરવા પડે. mm સ્ક્વેર માંથી મીટર સ્ક્વેર માં જવો તો બે વખત 1000 વડે ડિવાઈડ કરવા પડશે. I need to divide this term 10 raised to 9. So my value of EI equals to 16 into 10 raised to 5 kilonewton meter square. I hope all of you are able to understand this. Please confirm. Okay. First of all તમને આન્સર મળશે રેડિયન માં, એના પછી આન્સર તમારે લાવવાનો ડિગ્રી માં. આવશે કે નહીં ફાવે? પ્લીઝ કન્ફર્મ.
Yes.
ઓકે. કેલ્ક્યુલેશન તમે કરશો. આનો સ્નેપશોટ લઈ લો, આનો સ્નેપશોટ લઈ લો. ચલો તમારે સેમ વે પોઈન્ટ સી આગળ સ્લોપ શોધતા ફાવે? સેમ વે પોઈન્ટ સી આગળ સ્લોપ શોધતા ફાવે? યસ ઓર નો? પ્લીઝ કન્ફર્મ. પોઈન્ટ સી આગળ સ્લોપ શોધવા માટે કયા કયા એરિયા લેવાના આવશે? કેન એનીવન ટેલ મી ઇન ચેટ બોક્સ? પોઈન્ટ સી આગળ સ્લોપ શોધવા માટે કયા કયા એરિયા લેવાના આવશે? Yes, see to it. That means can I say that I need to consider all the areas? બધા જ એરિયા કન્સિડર કરવાના આવશે? Yes or no? And keep in mind this area is a parabolic. ભૂલ ના કરતા. તો આનો એરિયા આવશે 1/3 112.5 divided by EI into 3. Keep in mind, no? અહીંયા મિસ્ટેક ના કરતા. So let me finish today's lecture here. Okay. So next lecture માં આપણે સેમ એક્ઝામ્પલ નહીં તો આના જેવો કોઈ એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈશું, એમાં આપણે ડિફ્લેક્શન કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીશું. Yes or no? I think all of you are able to calculate slope at point C. Please confirm me. આનો સ્નેપશોટ લઈ લો. કોઈને પણ ડાઉટ હોય તો તમે મને પૂછી એ ડાઉટ પૂછી શકશો. I will definitely solve your doubts. Okay. So just a minute, I am sharing a Google link. Just a minute. Just a minute. I will explain. હું કહું પછી રિમૂવ થજો. You have a mic, right? You can ask question. Please ask me question. So it is more convenient to me to explain. Please ask me question. You have a mic, right? Also. What is your question? Yes, whenever you are considering a calculation of slope at point C, you need to calculate area part 1, area part 2, area part 4, area part 5, and area part 6. So while calculating area part C, keep in mind that area is a parabolic curvature and its area is 1/3 BH. So your 1/3 into B is nothing but your length, that is 3 meter, and height is nothing but your h, that is nothing but 112.5. Is it okay? Now it is clear. Okay, so if you have filled the Google form, you can leave the room. Have a nice day. We will meet again. If you have any doubt in mechanics of solid subject, you can ask me. Okay. I think I have take lots many extra lecture for mechanics of solid. Yes or no? I think I have lots many take extra lecture for mechanics of solid, and I have almost complete 90% syllabus in mechanics of solid. So if you and any of student have a doubt in mechanics of solid, he or she are freely feel free to call me anytime. Okay, after 3 p.m., 3 to 5, Monday to Friday, you can call me. I will definitely solve your doubt. Okay. Okay. And today I will giving you some important points what topic to be must be prepared in examination. Don't worry. આ સાત સુધી તમને મળી જશે તમારા ટ્રાયમાં. Okay. So don't worry. You can ask me. Because there is a list, there is also difficult to me take an extra lecture because some hard semester also going on.